once again.
Hello, it's Jimmy here at O'Reilly's Mobile Mechanics, and we've got another car here that we're looking at. And it is this 2014 Vauxhall Insignia 2.0 Cdti diesel. So I've just run a diagnostic scan there on the car. It's got these two faults: cylinder 2 glow plug control circuit malfunction, and the P2033-05 for the exhaust gas temperature sensor. I don't think the glow plug usually causes a loss of power limit mode, P6072, so we're going to look at the exhaust gas temperature sensor and maybe look at replacing that. So first I'm going to clear the codes and then we'll go in and look at live data. So we're just looking on live data here at the exhaust gas temperature sensor. The car's literally just been started up. You can see there the engine's still cold, and it's saying it's on 1200 degrees while number 2 is only on 80 degrees. It's pulling 5 volts there, while sensor 2 is pulling 1 volt, which is normal. So we're just going to pull around on the plug here. You can see that now we're touching the plug, it's acting erratic. So that's what the plug disconnected. It's just a dead reading there, so we're going to put it back on and see what happens. Don't know if this is just a bad connection at the minute. So it seems when we move around with this, we're getting it to play around. So I've just pulled the blue cap off there, pushed in the ends. Just here you got the exposed metal, and I've used this little pig tool to get inside there. Just push them little middle sections just to get a tighter connection inside there. So I'm just going to push it back together. I'll just click that back in there, and then you can see the voltage has gone back to normal. So that's a very good result. We're not looking at replacing the actual sensor. In fact, it looks like somebody already has, not so long ago. So that's it. We have a good result there on that. We've had the car started there for a while, and the fault has disappeared. Live data has gone back to normal. We're not getting any sort of intermittent issues with the plug when we touch it. That's all sorted. So the glow plug one, we're going to see if that comes back. We'll make another video separately on that. But yeah, all good. See you in the next video.